What's going on, people? Lewis here, and welcome to my channel. In this video you're going to learn how to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing without a website, without any of that fancy stuff. Okay, if you're new here, make sure you hit that sub button, that notification bell, because this is the place you want to be to get education on building an online business. The real truth, real training, stuff that works, stuff that I do right now to help me make money, and many others copy and do this as well. Guys, I want you to stop joining business after business, shiny object after shiny object, joining guru after guru, handing over $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 or anything like that, because I know people are doing that and they're not seeing the results because they are sold on the dream. They are sold on join this business and make 10 grand a month and do all this, yet with this certain system. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're in these systems like Legendary Marketer, these programs, that are very good. I'm not saying they're bad, or SAA or multiple income funnel, which are these done for you kind of businesses. It doesn't matter if you're in them if you don't know how to market. That's the end of it. These leaders you see in there, they are making money because they know how to market. They know how to get free traffic. They know how to brand themselves. They know paid traffic. They've got budget for paid traffic. They know how to do email marketing. They've got good lead capture pages. They've got good free bonuses. Guys, this is what I'm teaching you in this channel. So make sure you sub. Make sure you hit that notification bell, because seriously, you're going to get thousands of pounds worth of free training. And if you follow what I do, and you're going to see results. Okay, you're going to see results. So in this video, like I said, we are talking about how to make $100 a day with no website, no fancy stuff. If you're on a budget, if you have no money to invest, this is a great way of starting. Okay, I know people, and I've done this when I first started and started earning a side income with this, and you can scale it into a bigger income. But I want to keep it short and sweet. Okay, I want to keep it short and sweet. If you're new here, like I said, I've got other videos down here to the left, where down there, showing you how to make money, okay, how to build a business, how to grow, okay, the right way, so you last long term. So hit that sub button, because you're going to learn a lot from this channel. I guarantee you that. Okay. So what I'm going to talk about is what we call launch jacking, and if you haven't heard about it before, then don't worry, you're going to understand it a bit more now. And I want to show you exactly kind of where to go, how to do it, rather than just talking about it and doing slides and all that kind of stuff. I want to show you. So you need to go to munchi.com. Munchi.com. It's a free site. You just put it in and you go come to this. Okay, come to this, and you go see all the launches. Go see all the launches, the big launches, and all the launches over these affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVSU. These are affiliate networks where marketers put their products in, and they want affiliates to promote it. Okay, and that's how they make the big money. They get other affiliates to promote it. The affiliates get a commission. It's a win-win. That's affiliate marketing. You're promoting someone else's product. But what we can do here is launch jack. So these big leaders, these big marketers that have been online for a while, are releasing these products, and we can get in front of their audience. Okay, we can get in front of their audience. So what you want to do is go to Munchi and look at the products being released, and the higher ticket the better, in my opinion, because you can really make some big income if you're getting $1,000 sale. So, but you got the smaller ones that are good as well to get into the rhythm of it, to get into the flow, and start doing this technique, this strategy. So what it is basically we go find a product that's going to be launched within the next week or so. So it's the 19th of February here, and you'll find a product. So you want to look for the big names, because they're going to have a big list, or a bigger list. They're going to have a lot of affiliates promoting it. And this is what not many people do, because they can't be bothered. They can't be bothered because this requires some time and effort. And with any online business, affiliate marketing, it requires time and effort. If you haven't got a budget to do paid advertising, then you've got to have to pay with your time. If you're thinking you go join buy a product or join a business and you go become financially free, you're not. That's the truth. And I don't blow smoke up anyone's arse or hide anything. It requires work and effort and the understanding that you need certain strategies and you need to learn marketing to make it happen, because all the big people making big money, they're marketing. They're doing very good with their marketing. So this is a strategy people do use, but not a lot of people use because they can't be bothered. So we can get in front of these people, and you want to look for big names like Guy Potek here. John Newman, he does good products. These are smaller products here, $14 to $27, 100% commission on the front end. On the back end, there'll be some upsales, which you get 50% commission. So you can still probably make a couple hundred per sale, okay? So you go pick a product, and then what you go do is review that product, like I'm doing here. Like you can have a screen. I use screencast.com. It's a free version. There's a paid version. Paid version, dead cheap anyway, but there is a free version for that as well. And I'll show you, if you don't want to get your face on camera, what you can do, so don't worry. But if you're happy with talking about or being on camera, or you have a YouTube channel already and you can use this technique, okay? So you go pick a product and you go do a review. I've picked a product already. It's already gone to launch. So this one here, but it's going to show a good explanation of what we need to do. So you pick a product. It's launching in 10 days, which is the time I like. And what we're going to do then is, there's two ways. You can, if you've got a few sales on Warrior Plus, which is an affiliate network. So the affiliate networks are ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Sue. I tend to work with Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So what you got to do here is, you're basically, either if you've got a few sales under your belt, you can ask for a review copy, not on a high ticket offer like this one, because they're not going to give away you a product which is worth like $2,000. So if you're doing the smaller ones on Warrior Plus, like $20 products, if you've got a few sales, you can contact the owner and just say, can I have a review copy so I can do a review on it? And they'll normally give it to you. Okay, so. But if you can't get a review copy, I'm coming this from a standpoint of brand new, then don't worry. What you can do is just go onto the sales page, because the sales page tells you what the product is. And your review can be, this product is, what was it called? It's called the Wholesale Formula. So your YouTube video could be the Wholesale Review, the Wholesale Formula Review, must watch plus bonuses, something like that, to get earning. What's this about? Because people are searching for this, okay? And the reason why we're doing it before it launches, we create this video and we put it out on there a couple of days to let it get some, get some time on there, time on YouTube, and you get a few, maybe organic, a few views already. Then when it launches, what people will do, when it's a big marketer launching a product, people will get their emails, and other affiliates will send their emails out with this product. People will see this product and they'll go to YouTube and go, the Wholesale Formula Workshop Review. And there comes your video, and you're reviewing it, plus you're giving maybe some free bonuses away, which I will go to in another video, okay? But your review video can just be you recording the screen, nothing fancy. You can see all my videos on my YouTube, they're not fancy. Not fancy, it's just content getting out there, and I'm helping people, I'm giving value to people, and that will come back to me on the back end, okay? So you can do a review, you can play a bit of the video, whatever you want to do. Go through the sales page. Before you do the review, just pick up some bits. So you can say, this is an Amazon FBA course. What they're going to do is, Dan and Dylan's going to show you on the live workshop, go through it all, show results, show what the workshop's going to be about. So, it's going to be about finding profitable products. That's what you go learn. You go learn about the business model, and you can do this in your review, okay? And then in your review, you can go click the link in the description below where you can attend the free workshop, okay? And then that person will click the link, sign up, and it'll be affiliated to you, okay? It'll be affiliated to you. It'll be your specific link. And if they buy, you get commission. That's all it is. That's all we're doing. We're getting these products, reviewing them, people searching for these products because we're doing it just before they launch, and they're interested because they've seen the product from a certain affiliate, and we're basically launch jacking, getting in there, and because we bothered to do a video, and we get the commission. Okay, it's a very good way of doing it, a very nice, a good little way of doing it. So I haven't done this for a while because I've been doing other things with affiliate marketing. I've been doing it for a while now, but this was a great place from where I started. I started building up some income with this. I tested this out the other day again because I want to make sure it works. And I'm going to go into my ClickBank right now, which is another affiliate network. And here you can see 147. This is what I did. $4 here, 142 there, another little $4 yesterday. It's not a lot, but there's upsells on the back end. You can send emails out, which gets a bit more complicated, but I'm going to teach you on this channel. Make sure you sub, because I'm going to teach you all this, okay? It's not 10,000 overnight, but imagine you can make this to $100 a day, which you can easily if you keep putting the content out, okay? $500-600 extra a week. Can that change your life? Yes. Can it pay bills? Yes. Can you scale from there? Yes. Okay, so this is a technique that works, and you can pick different products. You can even come to ClickBank, and you can go to the marketplace and see products in there, because there might be ones not launched yet or not able to promote, and you can find that there. But I've done a video on ClickBank before, so guys, you don't need a fancy website. You don't need to know too much. You just need a YouTube channel if you want to do it that way. Well, you do need a YouTube channel because it's the best way to do it with video. Okay, best way to do it with video, in my opinion. You can blog about it as well, but people want to watch, people want to see, people want to hear you. So if you're happy to get on camera, then do so, because it's the most effective way. Okay, it's the most effective way. But if you don't want to, you can come to pexels.com. And what you can do, say you're in there, let's do a different niche. Let's say you're in the fitness niche. Health, this is free as well, and fitness. Let's search this, okay? So this is where you can get videos for free that you can use, okay? You can get videos for free that you can use, and you can create a video. You can go to like iMovie on your if you've got a Mac, or Windows Movie Maker if you haven't got a Mac, and you can create your videos, okay, just with this, and just put text over the top. So I'll just wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, you can go to videos up here, and you've got all these different videos about help people exercising, and you can pick these, put them together. So you download them onto your desktop, put them together as a video, and you might have a fitness program, top 10 moves to build a bigger back. You put it into a video. If you're about to promote a fitness product and it was about to launch, this is just another niche to get you thinking. You put it in a video and you just upload it to YouTube. You can make the video in Movie Maker or iMovie, and then you could put text over that in the video, put text or put captions, and upload that to YouTube, and have a caption in there saying click the link in the description to get your 30-day workout, whatever it is. Okay, you could do it with travel, you could do it with health and fitness, but I'm showing you what I do, okay, in the affiliate marketing niche, okay. But Pexels is a great way if you don't want to get your face on camera. Easy to make videos in Movies Maker or iMovie, put them together as a I can't even say the words, and put them together as one. Very easy to do. Upload to YouTube and get it out there before the product launches, because people will be searching it when these top marketers start emailing their big email lists. Okay, so that's the technique of launch jacking. I hope this kind of helped you. I've shown you a bit of proof there. Down below is a free group. Okay, Down below is a free Google Doc as well, which will help you products to pick. I want to give some bonuses for you to watch that you've watched to the end. So marketers to look out for, and good products to look for as well. Okay, I'll explain it more in the Google Doc, and do an explanation of why these products are better. Okay, so that's going to be down below in the description box. Make sure you sub and hit the notification bell. I know I've said it many times, but I want you guys to follow this journey, because I'm showing you how to build affiliate marketing business from scratch in one of my playlists. I'm teaching you how to do that, and I'm showing you these little ninja techniques as well. Okay, so I'll try to keep it short and sweet. Any questions, let me know below. Let's make it happen, and let's get you winning the right way in the long term. Okay, so that's all from me today. There's a few links below for like some private groups to go to that are free to connect with me more, and any questions just ask. So that's all for me today. Bye for now.